Hey guys, it's Sarah from Just My Typewriter, and we're out today looking for some vintage things at some antique shops. Some of the things I'm looking for are typewriters, obviously, but I don't think I should get a new one because I have too many. Also, I think some cool things to type on this summer, so maybe some vintage postcards or some old stationery. So I think that'll be really fun. So you guys are coming with us as we antique in Virginia. And I'm here with Josh. He says hello.
So we went to an antique store called It's Bazaar located in Purcellville, Virginia. This place is chock full of antiques and upcycled furniture. I walked in the door and the first thing I saw was an Olivetti typewriter. So this is an Olivetti Lettera 32, which started being manufactured in about 1963. I wasn't able to find the serial number on this machine because the top cover was not securely attached, and I didn't want to break anything and end up having to pay for it. From what I could tell, this machine definitely needed some TLC. We dug around some more and found some old used books, which I always love, and then Josh also found some old cameras. Here's a vintage Polaroid camera. We also did some record hunting, as is customary. We then went upstairs to look around some more, and the first thing I spotted was another typewriter. I was able to find a serial number on this one, and I believe it is the Smith Corona Sterling 5A series, which dates it to around 1951. Obviously, some of the keys and bars are out of line and a bit bent. The top cover did move easily, and the platen seemed to be in nice enough condition. If I didn't already have 6 typewriters at home, I might have snagged her. And with that, it was time to go home for the day.
Hey guys, and welcome to day 2 of our Virginia adventure. Today we're going to the National Cryptology Museum in Annapolis, and then we'll head into DC a little bit. The National Cryptology Museum has a ton of coding typewriters, which is why we are going. So, see you on the road.
And off we headed into the city to the National Cryptologic Museum. Once inside, we found some really interesting displays about code breaking during various US wars. What really piqued our interest, however, was an Enigma machine display. We attempted to write a message, encode it, and then decode it on the other side. We did this for a very long time.
Here we go. Okay. J is P. U is L. Okay, ready? P.
J.
L. It worked.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
In addition to the Enigma machines, several other code-breaking typewriters were on display. And while these looked like regular machines, the keys were either in different languages or broken down to turn normal type in other letters or into letter combinations to then code messages.
Hey guys, I want to thank you for joining us on this 2-day adventure in Virginia. We did find some postcards and some typewriters in that antique shop, and then we went to the National Cryptology Museum today, and that was really cool. We saw a lot of typewriters there as well. I want to remind you guys to follow us on Instagram at Just My Typewriter and on Facebook. You can watch more videos on this channel and remind you that you're just my typewriter.
What vlogging is?
Yes.
Just holding your camera.
Yeah. See, I'm gonna do, it's a thing where we do, the antiquing is part 1, part 2 is DC. This is the road to DC.
Yeah.
It's a whole thing.
But it's like not the